Hello and welcome to another short lesson from Easy Steps English. My name is Dom and today we are going to have a look at conditionals. Okay, so let's begin. To form any type of conditional, we can break it down into two parts. One, the condition, and two, the result. And these can be interchanged with each other, as you will see later on in the video. So let's have a look firstly at the zero conditional. Now this one is used to define facts or truths, and we use the present simple tense with these. So, for example, if you mix red and yellow, you make orange. Another example, if you freeze water, it turns to ice. Okay? This conditional is used for facts or truths using the present simple.